As you guys saw from the title, Animal Company changed again. So now there's like a friending system. So I have Zano Bodano added. You know, we got the list. We have. I found the mimic. Should we wait? What about the? Don't we need a crowbar?
Where do you see him?
He just turned the corner up there.
All I need is these.
You have nothing in that hand.
My fists.
He's gonna go for me, ain't he? Watch. I told you! I told you! I told you!
There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man? You must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible.
They know.
You're irresponsible.
He just made that thing again. He made that like the like right before I yelled Skinwalker that last time. Is that an umbrella?
No.
Wait, how do we get to this guy?
Wait,
Oh.
like, open up your backpack. I'm gonna keep this.
Alright, we got it. Zeno.
That's my mouth.
Let me in. Let me in. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Aspect, look.
Bro, the Skinwalker was in mid-jump. Mary Poppins! Nah! Mary Poppins, bruh.
Here, take it.
Mary Poppins, that's Mark Pippin. Hey Zeno, come here. I want to show you something. Look. Watch. Wait. Stop. Come here. Do not step on it. Don't actually step on it. Actually don't. Look. So when your body, right? If your body stands on it, it doesn't set off until you jump. Hey, watch. Ready? Watch this, alright? Count me down. Mouth. Wait, hold on. I'm Mary Poppins now. I'm the Mary Poppins now. Elegant. Float down. Oh, you know how it is. With the children all riled up for Thanksgiving, I have to stop them every now and then. Zena, let's go to the dark area.
Wait, Aspect.
Yo, should I pop a Trident watermelon in my mouth? I have some gum. Should I get some? Should I put some gum? Should I eat some gum?
Yeah, cause your breath smell like shit.
Hey, fuck you! I'll see you later, my loved one. What the hell is happening?
Wait, I'm gonna get onto you. Ready?
That did not work. I'm gonna make an elegant fall down. I'm just gonna fucking elegant. Elegancy is my middle name, young one. Oh, it's over there. We missed it by a few.
Wait, Aspect, I got an idea. Wait, what?
For as long as I have this umbrella, I am Mary Poppins. Hey, since I don't know whether Mary Poppins is copyrighted or not, I think we should change Mary Poppins to Mark Pippin.
Mark Pippin, yeah, okay, Mark.
Alright, Mark Pippin. Oh shit. We're good. What the fuck did they?
Boycott this.
Wait, what happened if I? They know. No!
Man, this thing's.
They know. Die box. Can I break it with this? Can I just shove like? Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Zeno, are you coming down?
No, I'm going in the cave.
Yep, I guess I moved. That makes sense. You came down. I literally saw your dead body right as I respawned. Or your alive body, not my dead body.
Is you startled?
Is you restartled? Hey, I'm coming down. You mind saving me? If you mind, is there a flashlight for me?
Indeed.
Alright. Alright guys, this video isn't gonna be mainly for like actually check out the update. We're obviously gonna be checking out the update, but we're also just gonna be like messing around. That's what most of our videos are anyways. Hey man. Mind toss me a flashlight? Where did that go? I see it.
Right there. Wait, beat it. Run, William!
Zeno? Zeno? That's the second time he's killed me without moving.
Roddy! Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go?
The other cave? Zeno! I'm gonna kill myself quickly.
What? Bro, I'm back.
Look up.
I am vengeance.
At the
I am vengeance. I am the night.
Oh wait. Get a flashlight. You're gonna need this flashlight, and get a backpack just in case. Why did you buy that? Here.
Cause I need to shoot up
Should I
my
buy you a...
body.
Now follow me. Okay. Do you remember over here, like this area over here where there's like bananas?
Over where? Yes.
Remember how there was like that one vent that we tried to get into and like the map would deload every single time we tried to get in?
Yes, no, yes.
Just don't blow anybody up this time. Like actually, like we need to get over there. Like this is sick.
I remember those days.
Look,
Blowing each other up.
come up here.
Yo, how am I gonna do it? Get your flashlight. What the hell?
The I took J.
Is that Jay?
Is that a pogo stick? 1,500? Oh, and then the umbrella thing! The umbrella! Plunger? Wait, whoopee cushion?
Aspect, open your bag, I found gold. That's what I was trying to do in the radio.
That's what it sounded like.
Put it in your backpack, put it in your backpack. Put it in your backpack.
Well, I want to see what else there is. There's a ducky. Alright. What does a ducky do? Do you think the ducky just makes like the duck sound effects?
Maybe. Put the stuff in your bag so we can keep it.
Okay, wait. You're gonna need to put it in there. This has changed. Do you think I could beat him up? Zeno! There's one right there. Hop off, you birdie. I am not interested in your profound funds.
Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Oh shit. Oh my god, I just clutched. I am the clutcher. Why would she have beef with me though? Why did bro have beef with me?
Oh my god, I see, bro.
You just dropped the umbrella. I watched you. Brother, I just saved myself with the umbrella. I gotta show you when I
tried to
finish
equip it
recording.
to fly, but I dropped it on accident.